You've arrived at your destination.
Kita ka sa monkeys.
Yeah. Monkeys. Good morning guys. Nami karon sa Federal Territory Mosque. Maghinay lang kog storya kay mosque sa siya. Mangita kami sa katong view nga among picture and there are a lot of monkeys.
Wow, first time ko kita rin ani.
What is that? Lotus?
Lotus.
Lotus nga naibuak.
Oh.
So this is the lotus. Lotus with the flowers. Tura, ibilin ang shoes. So they have a dress like this.
So hi guys, so mananaday mi dito sa Federal
Territory.
Mosque or Mosque. Nindot kaido as in doon na siya. Among pagpaato dito tagay ng buntag among na is 10 ringgit and then Paul is 15 ringgit. Now naami ron nag-lunch mi, naami tour 145. Nag-lunch mi og hibi, kay for sure task ito siya ka tour. Buti niya mong lunch. So gibungga na lang namo is because last day na namo and then napapaid ako na po na amount nga ringgit. So yes, let's eat bangus sa kumain everyone!
And soup, yeah? Show me spoon. When I put it down like this. See?
Coming up to these caves here is a Hindu temple where the Indians came to Malaysia a long time ago, but few generations back. They had also brought in culture and religion.
We arrived here at Bato Cave. Siyang may cloud side. 4 p.m. sa diri sa Malaysia, but ang iyang init murag alas 2. Monkeys and pigeons. Wow. So, pictures na guys. So same gihapon.
Sa
Koron.
no.
Koron na po sa kasag tagkuan stairs. And right now nagsaka na po mig stairs, but right now it's colorful. Grabe.
Let's go. Mali.
Andale.
Pero bugno na siya dito. No. Bugno na.
It's cold. Hey monkey. Get that. So we're going in the Bato Cave. Wow. So alive ang ilang cave yan.
Yes.
There, I think pwede ang show dito eh. Let's go. We'll leave at 5:10.
10?
And it's 4:44. Oh, may rooster. Manok. So,
Let's go sa shaman.
hindi na lang ako musod. No shoes? Musod ka?
No.
Sarva
So this is the inside of Bato Cave. You wanna go?
Ah, let's go, let's go, let's go.
So let's end the vlog.
Yeah. So thank you so much for watching in our Malaysia trip. 2 days and 1 night. So Batu Caves is a good place to visit or nice place to visit here in Malaysia, and it's a must. So thank you so much again for watching for our Malaysia trip. Bye!